No, okay, wait, don't skip. Don't skip.
What up, dude?
Okay, I have 10 hats now.
Alright.
I have some more things to show you. He's not here, so okay. I thought Brandon was gonna come in with a skateboard or something.
It sounded loud.
Okay, I have a sword.
Okay.
I have the kinetic sand he made the rock out of.
Alright. You got a lot of shit going on in this room.
Yeah, I know. So, I wonder if the car needed this.
I don't even know what that is.
It come off of a car.
You got a lot of random shit in your room, dude.
I know.
What's that thing behind you? It's like gray. It's got like.
Oh, that was my like clothes hanger thing. Or not clothes hanger. It's where I put my clothes.
Yeah. What's the rest of this room look like?
If I showed you, you'd roast me and tell me to clean my room.
Then I need to see what the rest of this room looks like. What is going on?
Okay, so what I was gonna do is the next time I come on here to meet you, I was planning on cleaning my room, but I didn't know the next time when I was gonna catch you on here.
You were gonna plan to clean your room the whole time you were on screen with me?
No, I was gonna no. No, I was gonna clean it just so you wouldn't roast me on my dirty room.
I don't even know where to begin. Like, it's just. It looks like a tornado just came through. Just screwed everything up.
So, oh my god, I need the hat that you have in the back.
Excuse me. Oh, this one?
Yeah, I need that for my hat collection.
My girlfriend made it, so.
So you do have a girlfriend. It's not Brandon.
Yeah, that's who was on the phone.
Yeah, she's always. Is that the girl that's always in the background?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but she never does it on live.
Oh. So I love how no one in my chat has recognized you.
That's good.
You gonna make a video out of this?
Out of this interaction?
Yeah. Oh man.
Nothing crazy happened.
You mean a tornado hitting my room isn't crazy?
No. I don't know. There's a lot of clips that I have. Like, there's probably so many that I don't use that I probably should. Like, I'll scroll on my For You page and see a clip that I posted, or that I like had in my YouTube live, and it got posted as a clip, and it does well. And I'm like, maybe I should have used that as a clip.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Someone just they finally recognized you. They said, "Wait, it's the two hat guy."